Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about what's new in Odoo 19 marketing. So let's dive into the website module and let's see how to create the leads from the website. So first here we can see that we have already created a form. Upon clicking on the edit button, you can see that we have the contacts and form. You can just drag it and place it in the interface that's in your website, and upon clicking on the submit button we just need to create an opportunity. To do that, you have to just set an action like create an opportunity over here. So once everything is done, you can save the changes that you have made, and here comes the name, and you can just fill out all the details. So let's set the email, and afterwards you can just go ahead with subject. So you can provide the question, hey, will you come today to repair the door? And once it's done, it's done, what you have to do is you just need to click on submit button so that an opportunity will be created under the CRM module. So as you just move on to the CRM module here, you can see that it's been created. Upon moving over here, you can see that we have created a lead, an opportunity. So upon moving on to the leads here, you can see that it's been generated, and you would be able to see from where it's been generated. Everything can be seen over here. You can find the email, the name, as well as the phone number, as well as the question that you have provided. That's the um, subject. Not the subject. The question that you have generated will be coming under the notes and under the extra information. You can also just get to know the medium from where this has been generated. Now, if you want to convert this into an opportunity, you can just click on convert to an opportunity and create it as an opportunity. So once it's moved as an opportunity, you would be able to see that it will be under the opportunities over here. Now you can also create the management of the leads from the newsletters. So upon moving on to the website module, again, here we go. We have the newsletters, so we can successfully just manage with the newsletters. Upon clicking on contacts and forms here, you can see that we can just get to manage the newsletters over here. So after choosing this here, you can see that you can just subscribe for newsletters. So here you can see that the newsletters that are available. So you can choose into which newsletter you just want to set it. And here you can see that we have the newsletter. It can be the email subscription or the form, and you can just basically manage it. So once it's done, you can save it. So here, let me provide the name, John, and John Smith or John at Gmail is the mail, and let's subscribe to the newsletter, and we just agree to receive the updates. And upon clicking on subscribe, you can see that the newsletter will be, we have just subscribed, and it will be available under the mailing list. So upon moving on to the mailing list here, you can see that currently we have 9 contacts, and upon moving on to the contacts, you would be able to see that the subscription that's received for the newsletter from the contact John. Now you can also manage the leads from the survey module, which is a new feature in Odoo 19 marketing. So upon moving on to the survey module, you can see that we have different surveys over here. I would like to consider a survey which is the food preferences, and here we have different questions. And if you just want to convert the survey into a lead, what you have to do is under the question, you just need to set it as create a lead. So upon choosing the choice, yes, we can just convert this survey as a lead. So here we also just need to consider the email address. So here you can see that the question is being given as the email address, which will be with the question type as single line text box. And here we just need to, I mean, the input must be an email, and the user, this should be saved as a user mail. And we also just need to save as a nickname. So if you don't want to save this as a nickname, you can just uncheck it and save it over here. And you can see that we also just need to get the name of the surveyor, okay, the person who is attending this survey. So we just need to save the user's nickname. So once everything is done, you can just go ahead, and if you just want to share this, we can just go ahead with, so option called email, and have recipients, and we can just use it to them and set it over here. So if you want to make ahead with listing, or you can see the link over here. So let's see that we are vegetarian and want the vegetarian pizza. And here, let's say, um, yeah, let's set the email and let's provide the name and click on submit. So once we have submit the survey, you can see that upon moving on to um, the CRM module, you would be able to see that we'll be getting the, upon moving on to the survey module, I mean CRM module, you can see that the lead will be generated over here. And you can see that we have the result from the survey. So upon moving on here, you can see this is a lead which been generated earlier. And let's move on to the Michelle admin survey. And here you can see that Michelle admin survey result with the contact name, the email, and the answers that we have given over here is also shown. Now let's move on to the other lead, or you can just consider this lead itself. And here we have the send message option. So upon choosing the send message option, what you have to do is you can find that we have the option to open full composer, right? So let me enable it. And once it's done, you can just compose the email to followers. So let me add the follower over here. If you want to add multiple followers, you can add multiple followers. And in Odoo 19, we have the option to add templates. So if I just want to save or set any templates over here, I can use the templates and send. And this is a new feature in the marketing module. And Now let's move on to the email marketing. And in the email marketing, when you just try to create a new marketing, here you can see that you can start everything from the scratch. So let's say new year sale, and we just want to set everything from the scratch. And if you want to choose any particular mailing list, you can set that, and let's start from the scratch. So here you can see that we can drag the building blocks here. So if you want to just place the header, you can just place the header. So here you would be able to see how we just need to set the header. And let me just go with the header. So once it's done, if you want to just add the images, you can also add the image. So let me go ahead with the image adding. And so this is how you are just designing your email. And if you want to just make any further changes with the badges and everything, you can just drag and place it over here. And let's move on. And if you want to add the footer, you can just add the footer. So here you can find the footer. So let me add it. Okay. So if you want to just remove it from here, you can remove everything. Like you can use the delete button. And here you can see that we just want to add the blogs. So upon choosing the blogs here, you can see you can just add it. If you want to just add the people, you can add them. So you would be able to see all the changes that are taking place over here. And if you want to make any further changes in the styling or design, we are getting the option to manage it in the mailing. Now, finally, let's move on to the AI marketing tool in Odoo. So here you can see that we can just ask the AI. So here I would like to consider another AI. Okay, let me move on with the AI over here. Okay, so in this case, I would like to just get the leads which are generated from the email. Shall be giving the prompt leads or opportunities. Okay, opportunities that are generated from email and click on enter. So we are getting some technical issues. So here you can see that we are just unable to access specific company data or records. So we can just go to the CRM or contact IT department for assistance with accessing. So there is something issue. So with the support of Odoo AI, you can also easily get the opportunities or the leads that have generated. Now, if you want to just provide any other prompt, you can also just provide like, can you um, tell me which day of the week is the best for my open rate in email marketing? So you can just provide everything. Still, we are getting something error. Still, the AI is thinking. So here you can see, still we are just unable to reach. So if there is no technical issues, you will be getting the result over here, and the best possibility is to get the leads will be suggested. So here you can see unable to access specific data or analytics, but still the Odoo AI is generally giving the days which are often considered for optimal for email open rates, and that is the Tuesday and Thursday. However, it's the best part to analyze your own data for the precise insight. So these are the some of the changes that you can find in the Odoo 19 marketing. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.